Navigating custody arrangements. A guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify English phrases for learners all around the globe. Today, we're diving into a topic that touches the lives of many: custody arrangements. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means, especially in legal contexts, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the complexities together, ensuring you walk away with a clear understanding. The phrase custody arrangements refers to the agreements or legal decisions about who has the legal right and responsibility to take care of a child. This can include decisions about where the child lives, who makes important decisions for the child, and how each parent will continue to be involved in the child's life. Custody arrangements are commonly discussed in situations like divorce or when parents who are not together need to decide on how to best care for their child. There are two main types of custody to be aware of. Physical custody. This deals with where the child lives and the day-to-day care. Legal custody. This involves the right to make significant decisions about the child's life, including education, health care, and religious upbringing. Custody arrangements can be decided in several ways. Mutual agreement. Sometimes, parents can come to an agreement on their own about what's best for their child. Mediation. A neutral third party helps the parents reach an agreement. Court decision. When parents can't agree, a court may decide based on what it determines is in the best interest of the child. It's important to note that the best interest of the child is the most significant factor courts consider. This can include the child's age, the emotional ties between the child and each parent, the parent's ability to provide for the child, and any history of family violence or substance abuse. When discussing custody arrangements, certain terms frequently come up. Understanding these will help you navigate the topic more effectively. Joint custody. Both parents share custody, whether it's legal, physical, or both. Sole custody. Only one parent has custody, either legal, physical, or both. Visitation. The arrangement for the non-custodial parent to spend time with the child. These terms are crucial in understanding the nuances of custody arrangements and how they can vary from one family to another. Custody arrangements play a critical role in ensuring the well-being of children when parents are no longer together. They involve careful consideration of various factors to best meet the needs of the child involved. We hope this video has shed light on the subject and made it a bit easier to understand. Remember, every family situation is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. If you found this explanation helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. We're here to help you make sense of complex English phrases, one video at a time. Take care, and see you in the next video.